So today I am going to solve the problem from the surface area and volume exercise 12.2. So let's start. The fifth question I am going to solve. The fifth question of an exercise 12.2, surface area and the volume. Here the question is, fifth question, a vessel in the form of an inverted cone. Its height is 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. Radius of the top of a vessel is 5 centimeter, which is open in so radius of a top which is open in 5 centimeters. So the radius is 5 centimeter of a top of a cone and the height is 8 centimeters. It is filled with the water. When the lead shots each of the sphere, a lead shots of spherical shape, each of sphere of radius 0.5 centimeter are dropped into the vessels. These are dropped into the vessel. 1/4 of the water flows out. So 1/4 of the water will be come down, flows out. What we have to find out? Find the number of lead shots in the vessel. How many lead shots we have put in the vessel so that 1/4 of water came out from the vessel. So we have to find out how many lead shots we have put. So what we will do first? So what is the given? And so what we have to find? First we will find out the volume of a vessel, so that we find out the capacity of a vessel. So kitni vessel ka volume hai, we will find out that. Based upon that we will calculate the number of lead shots. So how much the water is flowed out, we will find out, and how much the lead shots. So one by one we will do. First what we will do is volume of cone. So what is the volume of cone we will calculate? So volume of a cone is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Clear? So we know the r value of cone. R value is 5 centimeters, h value is 8. So we will substitute 1 by 3 into pi into 5 into 5 your radius into h 8. So if we calculate, we will get 200 by 3 pi centimeter cube is the volume. Second thing what we will calculate is volume of water. Volume of water that comes out of a flow out of a vessel. The volume of water that flows out after putting the lead shot, how much water flows out. So 1/4 of a volume, it flows out. Water is given as 1/4 of water will flow out. 1/4 of a volume of a cone, the water will flow out. One volume of a cone flows out. So what will be the formula here? What we have to do, we have calculate the volume here. So I will just substitute the value 200 by 3. So pi. So what we can do is we can calculate 4 5s are 20. So we will get 50 by 3 pi is your water flows out centimeter cube. This much water flows out. Now the thing is, third part what we will do is calculate the number of lead shot. So volume of one shot equals to volume n number of lead shot we have put. We will know that we don't know how much lead shot we have put. Volume of one lead shot we have to calculate, and this equals to this number of lead shot, n number of lead shot. If we put inside, we get out the water of how much water we will get out from the vessel. For 50 by 3 pi is your water came out. So what we will do? We will do n. Lead shot is what is the shape of a lead shot? Lead shot is in a spherical shape. So volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube is equals to 50 by 3 pi. So number of lead shot will be equals to the volume of water came out. How much water came out? That much with the volume lead shots we have put. So n into 4 by 3 pi we will cap it as it is. The radius of the lead shot is 0.3. So 0.5 cube is equals to 50 by 3 pi. So what we will do, n into 4 pi 3 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5, that is 0.125. 50 divided by 3 pi. So what we can do, pi get cancelled, this 3 get cancels. We will get n is into 4 into 0.5 will be 0.5. 4 into 0.125 will be 0.50 and this will be 50. Now what we can do, n is equals to 50 divided by 0.500. Clear? So what will be the volume? So what we will get, let's check. I will remove this 0 here and I will place 3 zeros here, 1000. Clear? I will remove the 0, 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros here. So what we will get, we will cancel out this 2 zeros. Then we will get that 5 ones are 5 twos are 10. 10 into 10, 10 into 10, how much will be the 10 into 10? 100. So how many lead shot we have put, so that we get out the 50 by 3 water, 50 by 3 pi volume of water outside the vessel is n equals to 100 lead shot. If we put inside, we get this much volume of water outside the vessel, 1/4 of water outside the vessel. So how many lead shot we put? We put under 100 lead shot inside this vessel. Clear? So next problem we will solve. Hope you are clear with this. Next one is, next is your sixth problem. So what is the sixth problem? There is a solid iron pole consisting of a cylinder of height. It has a cylinder of the pole, iron pole. It is having the cylinder of height 220 centimeters, and the base of this is diameter 24 centimeters, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 centimeters, and the radius is 3 centimeters. Find the mass of a pole. How much mass of a pole is there? Given that 1 centimeter cube of iron, there is a one more thing is given. 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 gram of mass. So, and pi value we have to use 3.14. So what we will do, total mass of this pole we have 2 cylinders. So we will calculate the volume of these 2 cylinders. We will add up and then we will go to the mass part. Okay, calculation of mass. So first what we will do, big cylinder volume, this will be big cylinder and this will be the small cylinder. Big cylinder is equals to H equals to 220 centimeters, diameter is 24 centimeters, D is 24 by 2, that is D is equals to 12 centimeters. Okay, small cylinder, what it is given, small cylinder, what all things is given, small cylinder, H is 60 centimeters and R is 8 centimeters is given. So volume of a pole we have to calculate. Volume of a pole is equals to volume of big cylinder, volume of a big cylinder plus volume of small cylinder, volume of a small cylinder we have to do. What is the volume of big cylinder? Pi r square h, because I am considering here the big cylinder radius and height with capital letters, so that it will be not confusion for you. And I will take pi common, then it will be r square plus r square h plus r square h. So we will substitute these values. Pi into r square is how much for the big cylinder is 12 centimeters, 12 square. H is how much? 220. plus r of small cylinder 8 square into 60. Clear? So this is what we have. Now what we will do, pi 12 square into 120. So 12 square into 120, we will get 144 into 220. 12 square is 144 into 220 plus 8 square is 64 into 60. So what we will do, if we multiply it, we will get 3180 plus 3840. We will get pi value is 3.14. so if we multiply this 2, if we add this 2, we will get 35,520 we will get. So if we multiply this 2, we will get 111,532.87 cube, 8 centimeter cube, 111,532.8 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of a total volume of a pole. If mass we have to calculate, 1 centimeter cube mass is equals to 8 grams. So 111,532.8 centimeter cube mass will be how much grams? So what we will do, we will give the mass is equals to 111,532.8 into 8. If we give, we will get 8922.62.4 grams. So what we will do, we will remove grams. So what we can do is, if we, this is very big value, so I will make it into kgs. This is in grams, so I can make it into kgs. How I can make? I will divide it by 1000. So what will be the mass? So 3 zeros this side, so 892.26 kgs is your mass of a pole. So the total mass of a pole is 892.26 kgs. If you want, you can keep it like this also, but it was not looking good, so large value, so I have made it in the kgs. Is it clear, everybody? Hope it is clear for you all. Thank you.